Good morning, everybody. So we are here at the body shop. They have gotten a lot done. You can see all the high spots and low spots and divots in the paint and the bodywork. There's a little bit of filler here on the rear quarter, which we all kind of knew about. So they're just taking everything down, making sure everything's good. They've got the doors off. They started on the top part of the fenders. Yeah, this is coming out really, really nice. Sorry, there's just not a lot of room in between the paint booth and everything. This fender is almost all the way down. Not much left, but like I said, you can see all the high spots and low spots. These are gonna be your low spots, these are gonna be your highs. Where the insignias and everything went, antenna. Yeah, this is always the best route to go because you get to see exactly what's going on. Yeah, more low spots. It's a little bit of filler, nothing too major. That's actually really nice. Some low spots here, low spots here. Actually, you can feel the ding in this one. Back end looks good. Yeah, the guys are doing a great job. So we're just getting ready to pull the paint code so they can start getting everything prepped and ready to go. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you guys on the next one.